4.74 gigahertz. No, that's not a laptop spec. It's the new RedMagic 11S Pro Plus. We are officially in the era of the leading edition Snapdragon 8 Elite, and this phone just became the first Android device to crack the 4,000-point single-core barrier. If you thought the standard 11 Pro was fast, you haven't seen anything yet. While everyone else is still debating islands and punch holes, RedMagic is still the king of the true full screen. We're looking at a 6.85-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. The 7th gen under-display camera is practically invisible now. It also features the new Star Shield 2.0 eye protection and a 2500Hz instant touch sampling rate. If you miss a shot in Call of Duty, it is definitely your fault, not the screen's latency. Powering this space-age heater is a massive 7,500 mAh silicon carbon battery. Despite the capacity, the phone hasn't turned into a brick. It's still under 9mm thick. Now, here's the interesting part. Charging. The Pro Plus supports 120-watt wired and finally 80 watts wireless charging. RedMagic says they've tuned the charging curve to preserve battery health, so this cell should still be at 80% capacity after years of heavy gaming cycles. The build remains peak gamer cheek. You've got the 520Hz capacitive shoulder triggers, the physical game space switch, and my favorite, the 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, it's still here in 2026. Software-wise, RedMagic OS 11 is leaner than previous versions. It includes the Mora AI assistant, which can now actually analyze your gameplay in real time to suggest loadouts or highlight enemies in scout mode. So who is the 11S Pro Plus for? If you already have the RedMagic 11 Pro, the jump to the S model is mostly about that bin silicon and the liquid cooling refinement. But if you're looking for the absolute fastest, most uncompromised gaming phone on the planet right now, this is it. It's overkill, it's loud, and it's arguably the most powerful handheld device ever made. What do you think? Is 4.74 gigahertz too much for a phone, or is there no such thing as too much? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.